Viewers, I am Engineer Eddyco. This is the fermentation section. I'm here to take you around the fermentation section. This is the fermentation section made up of 10 tanks, and the capacity of the tank is 45,000 liters. In this section here, the glucose at the preparatory stage, the preparatory section from the saccharification, it gets to the fermenter tanks here. So in the fermenter tanks here, the glucose now is being acted upon by the yeast. And so the yeast here serves as a catalyst to convert the glucose into ethanol and CO2, carbon dioxide. So the period of fermentation varies. If every factor is considered, if every factor is taken into consideration, if all factors, if all conditions are okay, if we have a good pH, good temperature, and other conditions are favorable, it takes between 48 to 72 hours for the glucose to be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. So it takes between 2 to 3 days, that's 48 to 72 hours. So in this section, before the fermentation process proper, normally the yeast is cultured. So we have a yeast tank behind there. So the yeast is cultured, and the yeast culture takes 8 to 12 hours for the yeast to be cultured. What do I mean by culture? Culturing means you propagate the yeast in order to cut down cost of your production process. So you propagate it, so you multiply the cells, then you transfer it down here to ferment your glucose, which is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. So this is the overview of what happens at the fermentation section. Thank you very much.